Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is dreaminspirecreate.com. I'm Shani, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I redid my door behind me. The door started off as like a white, ugly door. I'll insert some pictures here so you can see it. This is my husband and I. This is our third home that we purchased. We plan to stay here for some time. So I'm going to take you guys through the renovation process with us. We're going to call this series House to Home. So we're going to be showing you all of the rooms that we do. If you haven't already, check out our mudroom video that we posted last week. Check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We love to hear from you on things that we're helping you guys with or things you want to see. So just let us know, and please stay tuned. So I don't think I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but the reason I painted this door green is because it's my grandmother's favorite color. She passed away in 2018. I wanted to have a piece of her with me in this house. And then here we have a sign that I made back last year, or either the year before last I made it for our last house. And then here, we kind of have like our memory wall. This is my husband's mother that passed away here. My husband's grandmother that passed away, and then my grandmother that passed away. And then here, this is, excuse my sign, I'm missing some letters. But here is a table that we just use to kind of throw our stuff on. I got this basket actually for $1 from the thrift store. I am going to replace this table and put a console table here. And then I'm thinking about putting a picture ledge on this side. I actually got this mirror from Goodwill for $5. I really, really like it. It's like super nice. And then here, like I said, I'm just gonna put a picture ledge wall here. So that's our green door. It didn't take me much time to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like the video, share it, and we'll see you next week.